Hi, Nick Collier here, and this is my shop. Come join me. We'll have some fun. Okay, so we've got our piece in here. I think this is going to be enough, but even if it's not enough, we can, let's take this out just a little bit further. We can come in and put some support behind it. So what we want to do is get this thing level. And one way to do that is to bring our bit in. And just catch the corner. Take it all the way over to the other side. And we know that we're just a little bit high. Alright, still a little bit high. All right, that's it. We're there. Tighten it up. And come up with a center finder. Alrighty. Oh, we want to go faster than that. That's right, we drop that belt down. Let's see what we can do here. That looks good. better. Not good enough though. Okay, so I think we want to go ahead and slow this thing back down. Come in, and we're probably going to take a couple hundred thousandths at a time here. Hold on. Whoa. Well, that didn't work, did it? My speed was going just a little fast and I couldn't quite catch up with it. Alright, so we'll take that out. Turn it upside down. We still got a nice sharp bit on the other side. I'm wondering if we have a turbo bit. I think we do. And a reasonably sharp one at that. Yes, look at that. That'll give us a little bit more. Okay, we'll start there. All right, well, for some reason we're not running down the center. And it could be about snapping that bit. All right, we're just gonna take some measurements here. We are way off. Let's give that a try. That looks good. All right, that puts us center. 100 thousandths. Oh, 100 thousandths. The thickness of my center finder. Okay. Hey guys. Okay, so we've got our piece. It fits reasonably well. Got probably a couple little glitches there or something like that. There it goes. That's going to fit right there just nicely. And it probably goes this way. Better. And now we need to cut the top off, figure out where our arch is going to go, and that whole ball game. So let's go back over to the table. Okay, well, we got our slot, and it fits the width of this thing, but the arch of this thing, it doesn't fit. Notice how there's a big gap here. And so, you know, it's not that big a deal. We're going to go ahead and slice this. We're going to take a scribe and scribe it, and then pull it back out and go ahead and mill that off and slide. As you can see, that's how far off our slot is. Yeah, I would say we're going to go ahead and take that down a little bit at a time. Okay, we got that done, I think. Let me take it over and dress up the edges here, and I will be right back. Okay, let's give it a try and see if we've got our angle right again. Not again, but for the first time. Looks like we got sharp edges somewhere. There we go. Okay. It's better, but not perfect. We've still got a bit of a gap in there. Well, I know what it is that every time you slide it in, it changes the angle. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little ink out here. And then we'll take a measurement from that. And we're looking at 155 thousandths. So we'll take this out and take 155 thousandths off that top edge there. Scribe, straight edge. go. Got just a little bit of a wedgie to pull off of that. Back to the mill. Alright, well, we got it to fit. It's got the same contour. And now what we need to do is figure out where this hole is going to be and how we're going to contour around the outside of this hole. So, I think what we want to do is support that a little bit, pull this off. We're going to measure, could probably just divide it from there to there, put this back in place. And let's put a little ink on it. Alright, there's our line, and that's about halfway. And there's our mark. Let's get a center punch. And I'd say that's a pretty good start. So for the moment, we're going to just take it over to the drill press and we'll just drill a very small hole in there just as a pilot, just so we can mark our hole here and make sure we've got that in the right place. Okay, so we're centered on our hole. Oh, well, it isn't a hole yet, but it will be one day soon. And we're gonna take and bring our table out this way to the edge. Bring our bit down until it's almost to the table. Somewhere in that general area. And we probably want to come out a little further with the bit. There we go. Let's give that a try. Come back to 0. Okay. Now what we want to do is we want to go that way just a smidge. And there's our line. Perfect. Pretty damn close. I like it. Alright, we're going to just drill a small hole in here. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So we need to drill a hole in the center, and then we need to put a slot in the center here too, so the whole thing can pivot. So we will be back. All right, well, okay, let's drill a hole in the center. We've got a pilot hole going. Now we're going to go to, I don't know, probably 3/8, and then we'll go up to one size under 1/2 inch, and then come back in with a reamer. All right, now a reamer, and that'll give us, and since I think my reamer is a little bit worn, so it's going to be just a tad small, which is going to give us a press fit, which is exactly what I want. And I believe this is our 1/2 inch reamer. 1/2 thousandths under. And I'm guessing you can't see that, so we're going to bring you back up. Well, maybe not. All right, well, that's better. Now we're going to slow this thing down. That should do it. And just run her down and see how it fares. There we go. Pull our bit. And let's see how the pin's going to fit. Very good and very tight. Nice. Okay. That's that for that. Now we can take this thing apart, and I got about 3 jobs coming up on this mill. So we can get this thing out of the way and get on with the other projects. And I will be back soon.